we all get to witness one of God's most greatest miracles. The miracle of joining a man and a woman as one in holy matrimony. And now I ask, who gives this woman to be married to this man?
Myself and my wife.
Over the years, I've been lucky enough to witness these two relationships grow into what it is today. From throwing inflatable rubber body parts at Buffalo Wild Wings to standing here today and making the ultimate sacrifice. These two represent the love that so many people strive an entire lifetime to find, but never do. After spending just a short amount of time with these two, anyone can recognize the unconditional and incomparable love that binds these two together. And so I now ask you, Allen, do you take Kelsie to be your wife?
I do.
And Kelsie, do you take Allen to be your husband?
I do. Give you this ring to wear as a symbol of my abiding love,
My eternal faith and my everlasting devotion.
my eternal faith, and my everlasting devotion.
It is an outward reminder of our infinite unity.
It is in that order of a reminder.
It is an outward reminder.
It is an outward reminder
of our infinite unity.
of our infinite unity.
There you go. I now pronounce you husband and wife. Allen, you may kiss the bride.
You always want the best for the people you love, and I think everyone will agree with me when I say it doesn't get any better than you for Kelsie and Kelsie for you. You two were made for each other, and I can't wait to see what the future has in store for y'all.
And he soon departed, and you know he never.
You have brought Allen out of his bachelor lifestyle of wings and beer and into the refined life of wine and making sure the pillows go with the curtains.
I didn't write a speech, but I just wanted to say something for my dad and Kelsie, my new stepmom. I'm so happy for having a new family, and I'm glad that my dad found love again and that they got married. And I just want to say thank you all for coming.
Kelsie and Allen, I pray that you always have a love that makes you feel protected but not smothered, challenged but not threatened, directed but not controlled, and wanted but not possessed.